Welcome to another video of the Study Lounge about quantitative reasoning. In this video, we will cover the basic concept of quantitative reasoning, its components, and applications of quantitative reasoning in daily life. Let us start our video. Quantitative literacy means being able to think clearly using numbers. It includes understanding data, reading graphs, and solving problems in daily life. People use it at work, at home, and in making decisions. This skill is useful for handling money, reading charts, and making smart choices. Quantitative reasoning means using math to understand and solve real-life problems. This skill includes using basic math, logic, and statistics to make good decisions. It teaches us how to understand data, explain things with numbers, and check if arguments based on numbers make sense. Quantitative literacy is the toolkit. It gives you the math tools, whereas quantitative reasoning is how you use those tools to solve meaningful problems. Quantitative reasoning is important because it provides knowledge and skills valuable in academics, workplace, career, and daily life. The knowledge of quantitative reasoning also helps to appreciate work in various fields such as history, culture, arts, architecture, science, music, language, and literature. For example, the great city of Zimbabwe, ancient Egypt, ancient Greece, and classical music. Careers that require mathematical skills include chemical engineers, lawyers, teachers, financial analysts, journalists, and many others. There are 4 components of quantitative reasoning. First component is Quantification Act, QA. Quantification Act involves identifying what to measure and how to express it using units such as meters, liters, hours. Here, you are turning a real-world situation into something that can be measured or counted. For example, for painting a room, you want to measure a wall in square feet. Second component is Quantitative Literacy, QL. Quantitative literacy means using basic math skills to work with numbers and understand relationships. It includes skills like adding, subtracting, comparing values, working with percentages, and making simple decisions using math. For example, comparing and deciding which one to buy among a 500 milliliter juice bottle and 1 liter juice bottle. Third component is Quantitative Interpretation, QI. Quantitative interpretation involves using graphs, charts, or tables to understand trends, make predictions, and draw conclusions from data. For example, using a line graph showing your monthly electricity usage, you interpret that your electricity consumption increases in summer season, and it gives a rise in the bill. Fourth component is Quantitative Modeling, QM. Quantitative modeling is about creating models, equations, graphs, tables, to represent real-life situations. It also includes the ability to adjust the model when reality changes. For example, in your monthly budget, you create a model for your income, expenses, and savings. But you revise it when fuel price goes up by increasing your transport cost and adjusting other expenses. Quantitative reasoning is not just about numbers. It is about making better decisions in real life. Whether at home, in class, or at work, it helps you think clearly, solve real problems, and take smart actions. That's why this subject is not just for students. It is for everyone. Learn it, apply it, live it. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about how numbers shape your world.